Migrating GitLab from one server to another involves transferring all repositories, configurations, and data to a new server. Here's a step-by-step guide to accomplish this. Backup the GitLab instance. On the source server, create a backup of your GitLab instance to ensure that all data is saved. Use the following command to create a backup. The backup will be stored in the default backup directory. Transfer the backup to the new server. Copy the backup file from the source server to the destination server using a secure copy command. Install GitLab on the new server. On the new server, install the same version of GitLab as on the old server. Follow the official GitLab installation guide for your specific operating system. Restore the backup. Place the backup file in the backup directory on the new server. Restore the backup using the following command. Reconfigure GitLab. Run the configuration command to apply all settings. Update DNS and external URLs. Update DNS records to point to the new server's IP address. If necessary, update the external URL in etc gitlab, gitlab.rb and reconfigure.